For the past 6 years, cryptocurrency has been one of the hottest trends in the financial world. Everyone is talking about it, investors, influencers, even politicians. But with all the attention and noise, there are also bad actors taking full advantage of those not aware of the traps. Plus, there is an overflow of so-called experts telling you what coin to buy, what chart to follow, or when to sell. I've been in this space for years, and I've made my fair share of mistakes. Mistakes that have lost me quite some money. Some were my own fault, and some came from listening to these experts. But it wasn't all bad. Along the way, I've also discovered some valuable things. Among all the different strategies, there is one that actually works. And funny enough, it's used by successful investors like Warren Buffett, for example. And in this video, I want to share this investment strategy because it's really straightforward, doesn't require technical knowledge, and it's not time-consuming. It's probably not so much an investment strategy, but more an investment philosophy. So without wasting time, let's look at what all this is about. But before we jump in, I would like to make it clear that I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing strategies that have worked for me personally. Please always do your own research before investing. Now back to the video. In the world of crypto, there are three what I would call major trading strategies: day trading, hype coins, and following gurus. Day trading is pretty straightforward. People spend hours staring at candlestick charts, analyzing every tiny price movement, hoping to time the market perfectly. Most people doing this end up exhausted, stressed, and often make rash decisions that cost them money. It has a steep learning curve, and I tried it, but it didn't go according to plans. There are some people making money with this strategy, but personally, I think the time investment and the stress is not worth it. Plus, from what I've seen, people making the most money with this strategy are the ones teaching and selling courses on day trading, and the ones getting commissions for bringing new members to sites that help with day trading. Then there's the hype coins, the ones everyone suddenly starts talking about. You see a new coin trending on social media, everyone's claiming it's the next Bitcoin, so you buy in. Often, the hype dies down as fast as it started, leaving latecomers with heavy losses. There are countless influencers who have promoted so-called meme coins to their followers shamelessly. And finally, the so-called experts. X and YouTube are full of people promising insider tips or guaranteed gains. Following them blindly is risky. What works for them doesn't necessarily work for you. Sometimes it's just marketing to get you to buy a coin they already sold. But what most people don't know is that the vast majority of these gurus have had luck with one, maybe two trades that were really profitable. And then they promote their luck as expertise and experience on the internet in order to benefit monetarily by selling courses, conferences, and so on. To prove my point, listen to this. Robert Rowley, author of the book The $1 Million Decision, explains that they have yet to find investing gurus who have correctly predicted more than 2 major price movements or important events. He also notes that the CXO Advisory Group conducted a study collecting over 6,500 predictions made by famous investing gurus and experts between 1988 and 2012. Some gurus predicted the movement of individual stocks, while others predicted the direction of entire markets. The study then compared these predictions to what actually happened to see who was right or wrong. It's important to note that well-known names were included in this analysis. Now the results. The best prediction accuracy was 60.8%, and the lowest was 20.8%. So the best guru got about 60% of events right, and the worst only 20%. The average accuracy across all predictions was 46.9%. In other words, these gurus were right less than half the time. Mathematically speaking, a coin toss would be more accurate than the so-called investing gurus. Okay, knowing this, let's get into the strategy. Firstly, this strategy is meant to take as little of your time as possible. So if you have a job or other projects, doing this shouldn't be a burden. So here are the steps, and I'll explain each one after. 1. Research and pick your coins. Then pick your investing budget. 3rd, pick a day for buying. And 4, you wait and react. And that's all that is. As you can already tell from the steps, this isn't a get rich quick in 2 days, no hustle, low investment, high yield mega hustler thing. It's a simple strategy that works if done right. Even Warren Buffett said, "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient." and the crypto market is no different. So let's explain the first one. When you are researching a coin or coins, you want to pick those that you think are going to go up in value on a long enough time scale. So we want to make sure they are not a pump and dump scheme. Let's take Bitcoin, for example. From the start to the time of this video recording, it went from 0 to almost 120,000. But throughout this time, it had its downs. In 2017, it went from 19,000 down to 5,000. In 2021, it went from 60,000 to 30,000. But most important, its all-time trend is up. Why does that matter? Because it's not important when you buy at that moment. On a long enough time scale, it will go up. So with Bitcoin in this example, no matter if you would buy it in 2017 when it was 5,000 or in 2021 when it was 60,000, now you would be at a profit. But the important thing we need to focus on is its upward trend. If this is really confusing, don't worry, it will all make sense when we look at step number 3. We just need one more thing, and that is step number 2, which is picking our investing budget. Now, when it comes to our investing budget, we should pick something we are comfortable spending. Here's how I do it. I use a so-called 50-20-20-10 method with my money. So that means I have a fixed amount of money each month I spend on crypto. For simplicity, let's say each month I spend $1,000. Right now, I'm investing into 6 different coins. 3 of them are a safe option, which for me means it will go up in the future. And other 3 I also think will go up in the future, but are a little more risky. So for each of the 3 safer ones, I will spend $200. That's $600 in total, which leaves me with $400 for the other riskier 3 coins. If by any chance I would decide to include 1 or 2 new ones to the riskier bunch, then I would divide $400 between all 5 of them. And that is how I handle my budget. You, of course, can do any other combination you like. You can spend a fixed amount or a different one each month. It doesn't really matter as long as it works for you. And now we have everything we need to move to step number 3. Pick a day for buying. Now, this one is entirely up to you. In theory, you could do it once a week or once every 2 weeks. I do it once a month. It works best with my income situation. And this is why this step is so powerful. Let's say we buy every month. We are able to catch all the ups and downs, and on a long-term basis, which we explained in the first step, this will be much more profitable and safe. Here's why. If we invest a big amount in one go, the only option we have is for the coin to go up in value to make a profit. If it goes down, we have a problem. And that is where all people investing single amounts freak out and sell at a loss in fear they will lose even more. But if we buy at fixed times, here's what happens. Let's create an imaginary scenario. We did the research and decided to buy a particular coin. At the start of the month, we buy one for $100. $100 is also going to be our monthly budget. So now we have one coin and we spent $100. Let's say that throughout the month, that coin falls to $50. It's buying time. Our budget is $100, which means we now get 2 coins for the amount. So now we have 3 coins and we spent $200. Now look at what happens. If we divide $200 between 3 coins, we get this weird number, and that is the exact number the price of the coin needs to be for us to get all the money back if we sell all 3. And this is super powerful. If we would just spend $100 for one coin, we would have to wait and hope it comes back to the first value to sell and break even. That means we can get our invested money back faster, and it's much more likely to happen. But that also means we are going to be at a profit much faster. As soon as the coin's price rises above that value, we are at a profit. And for the sake of understanding, let's say the coin goes back to $100. We have 3 coins. That means we made $100 of profit. And this versatility is what makes this method so powerful. But let's not waste more time and move to the 4th and last step, which is waiting and reacting. Now this step is entirely up to you, and I think has no wrong answer. It's going to depend on your research and your risk assessment. You can sell at a 30% profit, you can wait and sell at a double or triple profit, or like in the example earlier, you can sell to break even because the risk was too big for your liking. Like we said, it's 100% up to you and has no wrong answer. And I guess that's it. That's all the magic, or should I rather say no magic. Just a simple strategy that offers more maneuverability and smaller risks. It's easy to understand, easy to execute, it doesn't take a lot of time, and can be used for crypto as well as other financial investments, like stocks, for example. Let's do a quick recap. First, we decide which cryptocurrency we're going to invest in. Then, we look at our finances and decide on what amount of money we are going to invest. Then, we pick our buying day. Whether that is once a month or once a week, it's all up to you. And then all we do is wait and react accordingly. I truly hope this video has brought you some value, and maybe you'll adopt it as your own investing strategy. If you made it this far, thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, so videos like this will find you.